Welcome back to Trwalks. Today, we find ourselves in the captivating city of Toronto, Canada. Join me as we uncover the top 5 must-do experiences that will make your visit to Toronto truly memorable. From iconic landmarks to cultural delights, let's embark on an adventure you won't soon forget. CN Tower, reaching new heights. Our journey begins at the CN Tower, Toronto's iconic symbol that pierces the skyline. Ascend to incredible heights and savor panoramic views of the city and beyond from the observation deck. Take it a step further and venture onto the Edge Walk, a thrilling hands-free walk on a ledge encircling the tower. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you admire the breathtaking vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. The CN Tower offers an exhilarating experience that will leave you in awe. Royal Ontario Museum, a cultural extravaganza. Next on our list is the Royal Ontario Museum, a cultural haven that showcases art, history, and natural wonders. Immerse yourself in the vast collection of artifacts and exhibits from around the world. Marvel at the intricate details of ancient civilizations, from Egyptian mummies to Chinese pottery. Explore the extensive natural history displays, where you can encounter towering dinosaur skeletons and marvel at the wonders of the natural world. Appreciate the fine art on display, ranging from Renaissance masterpieces to contemporary works that push boundaries. The ROM offers a captivating journey through time and diverse cultures, providing a profound understanding of our rich heritage. St. Lawrence Market, a culinary delight. Indulge your taste buds at St. Lawrence Market, a food lover's paradise brimming with tantalizing flavors. Traverse the bustling aisles and discover a myriad of local produce, gourmet treats, and international delicacies. Engage with passionate vendors who are eager to share their culinary expertise and stories behind their products. Sample mouth-watering bites, from freshly shucked oysters to aromatic cheeses. Savor the aroma of freshly brewed coffee that permeates the air and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere filled with the buzz of excitement. St. Lawrence Market is a culinary treasure trove that will satisfy any food enthusiast and leave you craving for more. Toronto Islands, an oasis of tranquility. Escape the city's hustle and bustle by visiting the Toronto Islands, a serene archipelago just a short ferry ride away. Breathe in the fresh lake air as you step onto the island's shores, leaving behind the urban chaos. Explore the picturesque landscapes, with lush greenery and sparkling blue waters stretching as far as the eye can see. Lounge on sandy beaches, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin, or take a refreshing dip in the lake's crystal-clear waters. Rent a bike to tour the pathways that wind through the islands, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Enjoy a leisurely picnic surrounded by nature's beauty and listen to the soothing sounds of chirping birds and gentle waves. The Toronto Islands offer a peaceful retreat where you can unwind, recharge, and reconnect with nature. Distillery District, historic charm and artistic vibe. Our final stop takes us to the Distillery District, a captivating neighborhood where history and creativity intertwine. Step back in time as you stroll through the cobblestone streets and marvel at the beautifully preserved Victorian-era architecture. Admire the red brick buildings that house art galleries, boutique shops, and cozy cafes, each with its own unique charm. Explore the vibrant art scene as you visit the galleries, showcasing works by local and international artists. Engage with the artists themselves, gaining insights into their creative process and the inspiration behind their masterpieces. Discover hidden gems in the boutique shops, from handmade jewelry to one-of-a-kind clothing items. Take a moment to relax at a charming cafe, sipping a cup of artisanal coffee or enjoying a delectable pastry. The Distillery District exudes a unique charm that makes it a perfect spot for capturing unforgettable moments. Our adventure through Toronto's top 5 must-do experiences has come to an end, leaving us with a collection of memories to cherish. From the towering heights of the CN Tower to the tranquility of the Toronto Islands, and the cultural wonders of the ROM to the artistic charm of the Distillery District, Toronto offers a diverse tapestry of experiences for every traveler. Join me on Trwalks as we continue to explore captivating destinations worldwide. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more immersive journeys. Until our paths meet again, keep wandering, keep discovering, and keep capturing the magic of travel.